You have seen okra, cucumber, and even mango pachadi, but I bet you have never seen this. Rambutans are flooding the markets right now, so today we are traveling straight to Kerala to bring you this exact recipe. We are testing if rambutans belongs in a traditional pachadi. Plus, it is healthy. Mixed into spice yogurt, it creates an unreal sweet and savory flavor bomb. But does it actually work? Come, let's find out. The pachadi turns out to be rich, creamy, and irresistible. To pull this off, we need fresh rambutans. If you never peeled a rambutan before, don't worry. Just slice the skin, pop the fruit out. It takes less than 2 minutes. Don't forget to give it a quick wash. Marinate with turmeric, chili, salt, and sugar to lock in those juices. Get your hands in there and spread those spices evenly. Let it rest while we prep the rest. Throw green chilies to some grated coconut, cumin, and mustard seeds. Add a splash of water and grind it into a rich, smooth paste. Our masala paste is ready, so let's fire up the stove and start cooking. Heat up your oil and drop in those tempering spices to unleash the aroma for 5 seconds. Next, pour in that masala paste and give it a quick stir for 30 seconds. Splash in some water to deglaze the pan and scrape up all that incredible flavors. Let it simmer on low for 3 minutes. While that simmers, make sure to stir in occasionally so it cooks evenly. Toss in the marinated rambutan. Give it a good stir to coat every piece in that masala. And let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it rest for 1 minute before swirling in that thick yogurt. Yogurt splits on the fire, therefore stir it only when the fire is completely off. Once that yogurt is completely mixed in, your rambutan pachadi is done. To elevate this pachadi, drizzle some gorgeous chili oil right on top. Now, would you try this? We did. The balance of sweet fruit and earthy coconut mustard gravy is incredible. But the heat was a bit too much to handle, so it's a 7 out of 10. Catch you with another recipe. Bye!